If you own a local business and want more phone calls from Google, watch this. This week alone I booked calls for laser hair removal studios, plumbers and barber shops using one simple Google system. I don't do social media or branding. I put businesses into Google's top results, so when someone searches service plus city, they get the call. 90% of customers call the first 3 results. If you are not there, you are invisible. Right now I'm running this for multiple service businesses and it's producing consistent calls and book jobs. If you want me to show you how this would work for your business, comment Google or DM me the word Google.